Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will explain how to activate an Amazon gift card step by step in a clear and easy way. Step 1. Open your web browser or the Amazon mobile app and sign in to your Amazon account. If you don't have an account, create one by entering your email address and setting a password. Step 2. After logging in, go to the Amazon homepage. Click on Accounts and Lists at the top of the page, then select Gift Cards from the drop-down menu. Step 3. On the Gift Cards page, find and click on the option that says Redeem a gift card. For security purposes, Amazon may ask you to enter your account password again. Step 4. Now, take your Amazon gift card and locate the claim code. If you have a physical card, gently scratch the back to reveal the code. If it's a digital gift card, open the email and find the code inside. Step 5. Carefully type the claim code into the provided box. Make sure there are no extra spaces and that all letters and numbers are entered correctly. Step 6. Click on Apply to your balance. Amazon will process the code, and if it is valid, the gift card amount will be added to your account balance instantly. Step 7. Your Amazon gift card balance is now ready to use. When you shop on Amazon, the balance will automatically be applied at checkout before other payment methods. That's all for this guide. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more simple and useful step-by-step tutorials.